Do you want to double your income? I guess this is a very obvious question. Who would say no? Everybody wants to increase their income. If you are in a job, you want your salary to go up. If you are doing a business, you want your business to earn more. This is a very, very basic question that is there in front of all of us, where we want to understand how we can increase our income. Friends, today I am going to talk about a concept where I work with people and ensure that they double their income in a period of 3 to 5 years. If you're earning 100 rupees today, it takes you almost 8 to 10 years to make it 200 if you take a compounded rate of growth at 8 to 10%. So you can understand how difficult it is. And if you take the inflation, then almost it gets halved, and the real income growth happens over a period of 15 years, where this 100 rupees becomes 200 rupees. So it's extremely difficult to increase and double your income. How do we ensure that this 8 to 10 years of the period gets reduced to 3 to 5 years? I'll tell you one small example. When I graduated in 1995, I used to earn 10,000 rupees. I take it to 2005, and after 10 years, I was earning 4 lakhs rupees per month. You can very well understand what kind of income growth I had achieved. Now, it was not a miracle. There was a constant effort to ensure that this income growth happens over a period of time. And I wanted to understand that how, through a structured effort, everybody can ensure that their income can go up. And that's why I started working with people and tried supporting them in following a structured approach so that their income growth can happen. Now, this becomes very exciting when you hear that somebody can help you achieve this kind of income growth. But there is a lot of effort which also goes into it. And we have to understand that this is not a magic which can happen overnight. There is a lot of hard work involved. Let's try to understand this concept in terms of how income growth happens. Now, if you are in a job, typically you get increments, promotions through which your salary grows. And these increments and promotions typically give you anything between a 6% to 12% or 15% every year. And that's how it takes you around 7 to 8 years to double your salary. If you are in business, obviously your business has to grow at a certain rate to give you that kind of return. Now assume that we doubled this rate of growth. How we can double this rate of growth? That's something which we all have to understand. And there is a method. Now look at somebody. I'll give you an example where there is a salaried person who are earning a certain number of rupees every month. Now what you earn today gets decided by the person who is paying you. So if you are doing a job of a manager, there is a salary that you are getting which is appropriate for that job of the manager. Now whatever you may try, tomorrow in this definition or this valuation of this managerial job will not become 2x. It will take a certain number of years through which that rate of growth will happen. What you have to understand that you need to make yourself that much valuable where somebody is willing to pay you that 2x amount. Now there is a lot of misconception where people think that if I change multiple jobs, my income will grow that much. No, not necessarily. And over the long term, definitely not. This is not going to happen. Ultimately, it's all about working with your own skills, your own abilities, and ensuring that you build a certain skill set which has a higher value in the market. Today, if the value of the skill sets that you possess is X, you have to ensure that you add additional skill sets which are able to give you that additional X through which your income can become 2x. So it's not about going and negotiating with your employer in a better way to ensure that you get a higher increment, or going in the market and asking the consumer to pay a higher value for your products and services. It's not about that. It's all about looking inside and building those unique skill sets where you are in a position to command a higher premium. And that is where I work with people in ensuring that they understand themselves better, they understand the real value of their skill sets, and they also understand that what is that additional skill sets or unique abilities that they need to develop, which can give them that additional X over the next 3 to 5 years. This is a very unique concept, and this is very interesting as well. Over the next few videos, I am going to ensure that I give you more detailed information about how to do that. How do you ensure, first, how do you understand where do you stand today? What is the value of your skill sets? And then how, in a very structured way, over the next 3 to 5 years, you can build those additional unique skill sets which will give you that additional skill, additional X, and ensure that you double your income and become more successful in your life and career. So please wait for my next set of videos where you are going to get more detailed information about how to double your income, and I will ensure and I'll guarantee that if you work with me, you will find that kind of success in your life and career. Thank you very much.